studying UKG.
European countries and capital cities. Iceland,
Reykjavik.
Ireland,
Dublin.
United Kingdom,
London.
Norway,
Oslo.
Sweden,
Stockholm.
Finland,
Helsinki.
Gibraltar,
Gibraltar.
Portugal,
Lisbon.
Spain,
Madrid.
Andorra,
Andorra Ravile.
France,
Alice.
Malta,
Valletta.
Cyprus,
Nicosia.
Italy,
Rome.
Greece,
Athens.
San Marino,
San Marino.
Vatican,
Vatican City.
Monaco,
Monaco City.
Luxembourg,
Luxembourg.
Switzerland,
Bern.
Belgium,
Brussels.
Netherlands,
Amsterdam.
Germany,
Berlin.
Denmark,
Copenhagen.
Latvia,
Riga.
Lithuania,
Vilnius.
Estonia,
Tallinn.
Czech Republic,
Prague.
Poland,
Warsaw.
Belarus,
Minsk.
Ukraine,
Kyiv.
Austria,
Vienna.
Hungary,
Budapest.
Romania,
Bucharest.
Slovakia,
Bratislava.
Slovenia,
Ljubljana.
Bulgaria,
Sofia.
Croatia,
Zagreb.
Albania,
Tirana.
Serbia,
Belgrade.
Moldova,
Chisinau.
Macedonia,
Skopje.
Montenegro,
Podgorica.
Kosovo,
Pristina.
Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Sarajevo. Thank you, one and all.